I'm Mike from Ebbs Coffee Roasters in Auckland. I'm going to run through a very basic yet important method of pouring multiple milk-based beverages. I refer to this barista technique as splitting milk jugs. We're going to be using 2 milk jugs for this exercise, so we're going to start off by preheating the first milk jug, and we're just going to leave this aside. Now we'll just start to prepare our shots and steam our milk. So I've now got my steamed milk. I'm going to pour out the boiling water. The purpose of this was just to keep this milk jug hot, so it's not going to cool the milk down. The first step I'm going to do is pour 1/4 of the milk that I've just steamed into the secondary jug. Next, I'm going to pour 1 coffee completely. My next step is to pour the remaining milk from this jug into the secondary jug. I'm just going to give a bit of a swirl now and finish pouring the second coffee. Not only does splitting the milk jugs help with an even foam distribution, but it also helps to integrate the milk by creating a more uniform texture. Give it a go, and if you've got any questions, then sing out below.